A team can be aligned, clear, and motivated, and still lose momentum to the day to day. Momentum survives when leaders like you protect it. And that's what follow through is about. It's creating a simple cadence of checking in to keep execution alive and people accountable. By the end of this video, you'll have a repeatable weekly rhythm powered by 3 core questions that make execution reliable and a part of your culture. So, what are the 3 questions? 1, are we still working toward the same thing? 2, what moved and what's the very next step? 3, what support is needed to keep this moving? Now let's dive into each one. Step 1 is the clarity review. You know, I love clarity. Are we still working toward the same thing? Did anything change? Clarity prevents drift, and without it, movement will scatter. Step 2, the next step confirmation. This is asking what moved, what stalled or isn't working, and what is the very next step. This is where we're looking back, we are looking at what's happening right now, and we're looking forward. You account for what happened, review each other's commitments, what's working or stuck, and you choose the next visible action. And that'll keep things moving. This is not a 10-point plan. This is just the next step. And it collapses complexity into continued momentum. Number 3, the support check. This is asking, what support do you need to make this easier? Is this a quick lift or maybe a signing of the pen? Or do we need to adjust what we're measuring? This is not rescuing, it is leadership. And support reduces friction, it builds trust, and again, keeps the momentum alive. When you repeat these 3 simple questions consistently, execution becomes predictable, alignment holds, and continued action becomes the standard. Oh, and bonus, here's one important part most leaders miss. Follow through activates a new and necessary, well, maybe not new, but a very necessary habit, which is tracking the takeaways. This is how you're going to get engagement. And it's by creating a team scoreboard or a dashboard, which includes visible and simple markers of progress. Because people follow through when they can see the game they're playing, and even more so when they know if they're winning or not. A cadence of checking in is going to keep that work alive, but visibility keeps people engaged. Together, they make follow through the difference between an aspiration and actually hitting your goals. So why don't you tell me in the comments what's one follow through habit you can strengthen this week? And feel free to download the 72-hour follow through plan. It's linked in the description below. It'll help you start getting that momentum moving and stay alive. And if you want more simple, grounded tools to build consistent leadership habits, go on and hit subscribe.